Lumberg's products are intended for the industrial connectivity market, so we're looking at quick disconnects, and the industry requires a variety of port densities or pin densities, so all depending as to how many signals may need to be carried, how much voltage may need to be carried, or what type of data may need to be carried. These connectors are predominantly circular in nature. You maximize the pin density. Otherwise, we also have some square and rectangular ones. Each one has its own intended use. There are different keyings. So you have a keying for sensor connectors. These are usually code A. So you will have a M8 and an M12 connector. The M8 and M12 dictates the size. It's a metric thread. It's an industry standard, and it allows for just quick disconnect and connectivity to the end devices. The various connectors that we have are coded so that you don't accidentally connect power into a device that is usually relying on a signal level voltage.